turkey. It's 3 days to Thanksgiving. Hopefully what you see here we can help you out with if you still haven't thought about what you want to do for a turkey. But we have a 12.5 pound Nature's Promise turkey, some olive oil to try to keep that skin golden from the smoker, some hickory chips, some Weber's roasted garlic and herb to season the turkey with, and we got a jug of peanut oil for our turkey fryer. So now that we got our bird unpacked, we can throw the pop-up timer away. This here leg contraption keeps the legs together. Just get in there, take that out. See if there's anything hiding up here. Could take like the hearts and the livers and smoke it up for the dog. The dog needs Thanksgiving meal too. It's important whenever you just only deep fry that you get all that ice out of there. I normally just run it in warm water just to make sure all that ice is melted in the legs and everywhere else. It's supposed to be a fresh turkey, but as you can tell there's ice in there. But since we're putting it on the smoker, all that will melt out. Okay, just trim it up a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get up underneath here and throw some seasoning up underneath the skin. Just get in there, fingers, separate the skin from the meat there. Get down there into the thighs and the legs, get some seasoning on that too. So I got that Weber's seasoning. Get it all rubbed in there. Get it all nice and seasoned up. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just rub this this bird down with some olive oil. Try to keep that skin to turn gold in that smoker. If you don't put any type of oil on there, it can turn out a little bit rubbery, but it'll, even if you don't put oil on there, it'll crisp up in the fryer. But we're going to hope that it makes a little difference on it. I'm just going to take a little bit of this rub and sprinkle it. It'll come off in the fryer, but we'll just give it a little shot of seasoning on the outside too. Okay, so now we're just going to let it sit a bit and get our smoker going, get it up to temp and get a good smoke going, and we'll check back on in whenever we start tending to that. So now we got the old bird out here to our Masterbuilt smoker. We're going to get ready to put her on in there. So we Put a little bit of water and a little bit of beer in there so we can baptize the bird with a little bit of moisture. Let's get it on in there. Okay, so now that we got the old bird in there, I'm going to smoke it for 3 or so hours at 275. Oh yeah, look at that turkey in there. That's a big old turkey in there. Okay, well, we'll check back later. So we're just about to 140, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut the smoker. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks good enough to eat already. Okay, so let's get the fryer started. So this is what we have set up. It's a Masterbuilt Turkey fryer. Propane. That is a meter, and it cuts the gas out every 15 minutes so that you just don't set it and forget it. And then you end up burning everything up. You always have your fire extinguisher nearby. And all you do is you wait for your oil to come up to temp and drop the turkey down in. And we'll get right to that. So now we have it out of the smoker. We got to get all that juice there lapped up before we drop it down into the fryer. Oh yeah, it's looking great. Looking great. Let's get into it. And a lot of times I'll just go ahead and shut the gas off whenever I drop it in. That's where a lot of people make the mistake and they get fires. Okay. So, okay, just be mindful of the camera that you don't get in the view of that. So we grab our hook. Take this here on down slowly. And just kind of walk back a little bit. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Let's get in there and look at all that good frying footage. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Fogging up the lens. Let's see if we can get in there. Oh yeah, that looks good. So we're gonna let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes. Since we already got it up to 140, that's all we're looking for. Oh yeah, that stuff's pulling right off the leg bone there. Get out a little bit. Right on over. Okay, yeah, let's go up there and get a good look at that nice golden smoke fried bird. Oh, that's gonna be good. Well, let's get it wrapped up. We'll let it sit for a while and then we'll carve that sucker up. So now that we let our smoked turkey sit for a bit, hope the juices get back into the meat. let's go ahead and take the breast out, shall we? Starting to drool, you know what I mean. Oh yeah, look at that breast. Let's get through that skin on the other side there. This is hot. Let's move the rest of the bird over and let's start slicing up some breast. Oh yeah, looking good. I think this turkey got baptized pretty well in that smoker with that beer. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that right there. Pulls right apart. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah, that skin. Look at that skin. Definitely got to try yourself a smoked deep fried bird. If you got a smoker and you're already planning on deep frying, it's the way to go. Oh, that last little bit of skin is going to be for me. Let's adjust that camera. Oh yeah. Oh man. That is something good. Well, we'll check back once everything's done and we'll present everything to you on a plate. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And we just wanted to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. Happy Thanksgiving!